Thank you, Ate. Ninang Chops, I think.
Wala pa rin ba siya?
Nasaan si Ninang Chops? Pumayat na? Okay. So, no choice, Ninang Ruby. Paano ba yan? O, paano ba yan? Pwede pa-request? Pwede isang malakas na palakpak. Thank you. Para sa akin yun. Kasi nakalimutan ko introduce ang sarili ko. I'm so sorry. I forgot to translate it. I forgot to introduce myself. I'm your host for tonight. My name is Supergirl Ruby Ann. Thank you. Okay. Say happy birthday. Oh. Swerte ka ngayon. Nandito ako. I wish all the monthsary. But this is the big day. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And I hope sumama ka sa akin magtayo. God bless you. Love you. Okay.
Sinampiga?
Oo, sinampiga ko. Favorite. Next is Lolo Bear. Lolo Bear. Dito. Kayo na po. Kayo na po. Audience sa mga boys. Mga boys talaga. Gentlemen. Lolo Bear, Lolo Teta, Tito Bochi, Ninong Donnie, Ninong Vince, Ninong Nicole, Ninong Check, Tito J3. Okay? So later. Lolo Bear. Let's start with Lolo Bear. Applause! Kaya hindi tumatayo, hindi kayo na palakpa. Gutom na ba kayo? No!
Happy birthday, kid. Good evening, everybody. I'm Phil Lolo. Sometimes Daddy. Only I can say is thank you very much for your coming for the celebrant of my Apo, first birthday. Phil. I think this is the number one favorite, like Lolo. Phil, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Lolo Bear. Next is Lolo Teta. Ang favorite na taga-baba.
Pinas ko yung bata.
After mo, ipasok na natin.
This is my one of my Apo, Phil. Ito, si Pag Phil ito. Lagi sa akin sa pagbubuhat. Dapat balitan ng smart. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Ninong Donnie. Ay, eto pala si Destiny Joke.
Destiny style.
Ngayon, birthday. Dahil
Saan ba si Pino?
10% na lang yung tumakot, 90% yung birthday.
Yung base, diba yun?
Thank you. Ninong Vince. Now it's your turn.
Happy birthday, PBC. Stay healthy and stay healthy.
Next is Ninong Check. Check 1, 2.
Asan yung MC? Nasaan yung MC dito? Ha? Nasaan yung MC dito? Eh, yung nag-operate pala ng ano.
Anong gagawin? Ayaw mo mag-brief na
Ha?
Happy birthday to me.
Ano doon? May sounds yan. Ha? Hindi.
Kapatawag natin kung dito po. Happy birthday.
Nakaano yan dyan?
Thank you. Next is Tito J3.